Hello student, it's me Dipali Trivedi from St. Xavier's School Hardoi. Once again, I am here to teach you GK with a new topic. But before starting the video, please subscribe our school channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification. And if you like my video, so please like it and share it. Now move on our topic. So student, today I will teach you GK. And in GK our topic is in the aeroplane. So let's start. In this topic, one story is there. Story is one boy. He is Sammy. And he is father of Sammy. And she is mother of Sammy. Today I will tell you about a boy and his first trip. Sammy is going to Mumbai with his family. He is very excited for his first air trip. So he is asking to his father that, Dad, I never see the aeroplane earlier. Can you tell me about aeroplane? Father said, Yes, my child. Sammy, I will tell you each and everything about aeroplane. Sammy is very happy. He said, Okay, Papa, please tell me. Father said, Okay, my child. So listen, Sammy, carefully. So first question is, what is an aeroplane? So Sammy, listen. An aeroplane flies in the sky. It has two wings and a tail. An aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Now Sammy is thinking, what is means of transport? He asked to his father, Papa, tell me what is means of transport? Papa said, Okay, I am telling. Listen carefully. My child, we cannot go everywhere by foot. So we use some conveyance from going one place to another place. We use different means of transport to go to different places like bus, cycle, train and aeroplane. Yes, Papa, I understand. Now father said, Okay, my child, now I will tell you more about aeroplane. An aeroplane can fly very high. It carries passengers and goods. People can go to other country in a few hours. It is very popular. You know, my child, why? No, Papa, tell me please. Yes, I am telling. Because it saves our time. And you know, my child, who invented aeroplane? No, Papa. Listen. It was invented by Wright brothers. Now I will tell about some important things. Listen. You know, Sammy, aeroplanes come in a variety of sizes and shapes. It can move easily hundreds of kilometers over seas, hills, jungles in a short time. Oh my God, Papa. That is why this is very fast means of transport. Yes, my child, now you got it. Now I will tell you about some important person who are working there. Okay, now first is pilot. An aeroplane runs by the pilot. Understand? I drive the car. You have seen? Yes, Papa, I have seen. In this way, as I drive the car, same way one person also operate this plane. He is known as pilot. Now, number 2 is air hostess. There is an air hostess who helps passengers. Understand, my child? Yes, Papa, I understand. Now, I will tell something about inside the aeroplane. There is a room in the front part of the plane. The pilot sits in that room. He is the driver of the plane. He directs it. And behind the seat of the pilot, there are seats for the passengers. Okay, my child. Now I will tell very important thing. Seat belt. Seat belts are required and designed to ensure passenger safety and reduce the risk of injury. Understand? Sammy said, "Yes, Papa, I understood." And you know, my child, aeroplane, some of them are used in war also. War planes are called fighters and bombers. They are used against enemies. And you know, my child, aeroplane take off, land at airport. Now Sammy is very happy because today he got it each and everything about the aeroplane. So my child, I know today you enjoyed this story. Now our activity time. So student, now I will ask some question. So student, in this activity I have written some questions and there is 2 helping box. You will take correct answer. So let's start. So my first question is this: the person who flies an aeroplane is called a, Ayushi, come and tell me, pilot या doctor?
Pilot.
Very good, Ayushi. Now my second question, who helps passengers? Now come Yatharth and tell me, teacher या air hostess?
Air hostess.
Very good, Yatharth. Now my third question is, aeroplane was invented by? Now Ayush, you come and tell me, aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers या Thomas Edison?
Wright brothers.
Very good, child. Now tell me, aeroplane take off and land at airport या station?
Airport.
Very good. Excellent, my child. So in this way, my student, you will do practice and learn this lesson. Thank you.